I've been using magic erasers for a really long time. They are truly magical, but what I recently discovered that I love using them for is my farmhouse kitchen sink. It's white. If you have a white sink, you know how dirty it gets. So I obviously can use like a wet paper towel and try to wipe the gunk off here, but it's not gonna get anything, right? But when I use this is the extra durable sponge, but I've used regular ones of magic eraser as well. Just doing this like once or twice, look at that. I mean, it comes right off. I use this for my entire sink. I use it for these grates as well because they get super grimy, and this just works so well. I'm being very vulnerable showing you guys my dirty sink here, but let me just show you a quick wipe. You can see all the dirt right here. If we just take this and give it a scrub, I mean, look at the difference right there. Look at that difference. And then up here, you can see it's like night and day, the difference between here and now here. Highly recommend these magic erasers for all different things, especially cleaning things like your white kitchen sink or tubs or anywhere where you get that hard grime that just regular cleaners don't take care of.